In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Pipedrive. Let's get right into it. Start from your Pipedrive dashboard and glance at the left sidebar. That's your main navigation menu. Click on Contacts. This section is where all the people and companies you do business with live. Keeping it well organized will make every other part of your sales process run more smoothly. Once you're in Contacts, you'll see two options: People and Organizations. People are the individuals you interact with, like a buyer or a decision maker. Organizations are the companies those people work for. Choose whichever one you need to add right now. If you want to save a specific person's info, go with People. If you're building out a company profile first, pick Organizations. After you make your choice, you'll land on a list view that shows all existing entries in that category. Look toward the top left of that list for the plus icon. That's your Quick Add button, and it automatically matches the category you're in. If you're on the People list, it adds a person. If you're on Organizations, it adds a company. Click that plus icon to open the input form. Now fill in the contact details. For a person, you'll usually enter their name, email address, and phone number. You can also connect them to an existing organization right from this same form. For an organization, type in the company name along with any useful details like their website or physical address. Try to use consistent formatting throughout, things like capitalizing names the same way and keeping phone numbers in a uniform style. This will make searching and generating reports much easier down the line. If any fields are marked as required, fill those out first to avoid errors. Whenever possible, link people to their organizations at this stage so your pipeline stays clean and relationships are easy to follow. Before you hit Confirm, do a quick check for spelling mistakes and make sure you aren't creating a duplicate entry. Clean data now will save you headaches later. If there's a notes section, jot down a brief line about how you met the contact or what the next step is. Keep it short but useful so anyone on your team can understand the situation at a glance. When everything looks good, confirm to create the contact. That's all there is to it. You've just added a new person or organization to Pipedrive. Repeat this same process whenever you need to, and keep your contact list neat and up to date to get the most value out of your CRM. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share.